Hello everyone, welcome to I Plus Education. Today I am going to discuss LU decomposition method in matrices. We have been given this question: solve the system of equations 4x plus y plus z equal to 4, x plus 4y minus 2z equal to 4, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to 6 by LU decomposition method. Let us see here what is LU decomposition method. Solution: write down the system of linear equations here. Given system of linear equations. First, we have 4x plus y plus z is equals to 4, x plus 4y minus 2z is equals to we have 4. Next we have 3x plus 2y minus 4z is equals to 6. Okay, we have been given three equations. Let us convert this equations into matrix form. So in matrix form, that is, we have A x is equals to B. A is a coefficient matrix, X is a variable matrix, and B is a matrix on values with RHS. Now let us write coefficient matrix A. So A is coefficient of X, Y, Z. Here we have 4, 1, 1. So write down 4, 1, 1. Next we have 1, 4, minus 2. 1, 4, minus 2. 3, 2, minus 4. 3, 2, minus 4. We have these elements. This is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 column. Here we have x. X is a variable matrix. Here we have three variables, x, y, z. So write down x, small y, small z. B is equals to 4, 4, 6. Now, in LU decomposition, we will suppose this matrix A as a product of LU. That is, let us suppose A matrix, that is coefficient matrix, is a product of L into U, where this L refers to lower triangular matrix, and U refers to upper triangular matrix. Now the product of this lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix is taken as A. Let us take the elements of this lower triangular matrix as, let the element of this L matrix, we have to take 3 by 3 matrix since we have A as 3 by 3 matrix. So let us take first element L11. Next we will take 0, 0. Next L21, second row, first column. Next L22, 0. Third row is L31, L32, L33. This is lower triangular matrix. Here we will have a triangle like this, lower triangular. Similarly, we will take upper triangular matrix and U is taken as upper triangular matrix of order 3 by 3. But while taking upper triangular matrix, these diagonal elements are taken as 1, 1, 1, 1. Below this, we will take zeros. Here we have U, first row, second column. So U12. Here we will take U, first row, third column. So U13. And this element is second row and third column. So U23. Now we have taken A as L into U. Let us take LU first on left hand side L into U is taken as A. So the L is, we have L11, L21, L31. Here we have 0, L22, L32. Next we have 0, L33. 3 by 3 matrix multiplied with again U. We have 1, 0, 0, U12, 1, 0, U13, U23, 1 is equals to, we have A matrix 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, minus 2. We have 3, 2, minus 4. 3, 2, minus 4. Now we have matrix multiplication here. Now multiply first row with first column. We have L11 into 1, L11. 0 into 0 we have 0, 0 into 0 we will have 0. Next first row with second column, L11 we have L11, U12. Next 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0 only. Now first row with third column, so L11 into U13. Next 0 into U23 we have 0. Next we have 0 into 1 is 0. With first row we have multiplied all columns, first column, second column, third column. We will get first row of the resultant matrix. Now we will take second column with first, second row with first column. So L21 into 1, L21, L22 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. Now second row, second column, L21 into U12 plus L22 into 1 is L22 plus 0 into 0 we have 0. Next second row, third column, L21 U13 plus L22 into U23, 0 into 1 is 0. Next we have second row with all columns. Now we will multiply third row with all columns. L31 into 1 multiplied second row with all columns. Now third row with all columns. L31 into 1 is L31 plus this into 0 we have 0, L32 into 0 we have 0. Next L31 into U12 plus L32 into 1 is L32 and L33 into 0 is 0. So we have next third row, third column, L31 U13. Next L32 U23 plus L33 into 1, L33. We have this resultant matrix of this L into U is equals to, we have 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, minus 2, 3, 2, minus 4. Now we have multiplied L into U and equated to A matrix. Now we have this matrix equal to this matrix. We will equate corresponding elements. So equating corresponding elements of these two matrices. Now we have L11 equal to 4. L11 is equals to 4, L21 is equals to 1, L21 is equals to, we have 1, next we have L31, L31 we have 3, next L12, L12, L11 U12, L11 U12 value is 1, is equals to 1. Here L11 value is 4, so we have 4 U12 is equals to 1, U12 value is 1 by 4. Next L21, L21 U12 plus L22, this value is equals to 4. L21 value we have 1, so this will become U1, so this value is 1, U12 value is 1 by 4 plus L22 is equals to 4. So from this we have L22 value is 4 minus 1 by 4. We have 4 4s are 16, 16 minus 1, we have 15 divided by 4. This is the L22 value. Next we have L31, L31 U12 plus L32. This value equal to 2. So this value is 2. L31, L31 value is 3. U12 value we got 1 by 4 plus L32. We have we don't have L32. L32 is equals to 2. So L32 value is 2 minus we have 3 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 3 we have 5, 5 by 4. L32 value is 5 by 4. We have L22 value, U12 value. Next we have L11 U13, L11 U13, this value equal to 1. L11 value is 4, so 4 U13 value is 1, so U13 value is 1 divided by 4. Next value is L21 U13, L21 U13 plus L22 U23, this value equal to minus 4. Now L21 value is 1. Now we have L21 value is 1, U13 value is 1 by 4 plus L22 value is 15 by 4, U23 is equals to minus 2. So we have 15 by 4, U23 is equals to minus 2. This will become minus 1 by 4. Take LCM, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 we have 9. So we have 15 by 4 U23. These two will get cancelled. We have U23 is equals to minus 9 divided by 15. 3 3s are 3 5s are. So we have U23 is equals to minus 3 divided by 5. Now equating this, L31 U13 plus L32 U23 plus L33 value is equals to minus 4. L31 value is 3 into U13. U13 value is 1 by 4. L32 we have 5 by 4. L32 value is 5 by 4 into U23. We have U23 value is minus 3 by 5 plus L33 is equals to minus 4. Now get L33 value, that is minus 4. This will become minus 3 by 4. Plus into minus, we have minus here. It will become plus. This 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. We have 3 by 4. So these two will get cancelled. We have L33 value is minus 4. Now let us write down these values in a matrix. we have L matrix, that is L11 0 0, L21 L22 0, L31 L32 L33. This is lower triangular matrix. We got all the elements. L11 value is 4, L21 value is 1, L31 value is 3. Next we have 0 0 0 here. L22, we have L22 value as 15 by 4, 15 by 4. L32 value is 5 by 4. L33 value is minus 4. Now this value is L. We have to write down this. Next we have U upper triangular matrix. We have 1 1 1 and 0 here. Here we have U12 U13. Next U23. This is 1 0 0. U12. We have U12 value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 1 0. Next we have U13. U13 value is 1 by 4. U23 value is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 and LU. Okay, we have last value is 1. We got U value and A value. Now we have started this question with AX is equals to B form. Here we have taken A value, matrix A as L into U. Then this A will become L U into X is equals to B. We have taken A matrix as L into U. A value is Lu into X, that is Lux B, not a soap. Now let us suppose this Ux, this, let Ux value as U into X is a Y matrix given by small y1, y2, y3. Then this will become L. Ux value we have taken Y. Ly is equals to B. Ux value is Y. So Ly equal to B. Now this is in the form like Ax equal to B form. L value, L we have 4 0 0. Next we have 1 15 by 4 0 3 5 by 4 minus 4 into Y. Y is a column matrix having elements y1, y2, y3 is equals to, we have B. B matrix is, here we have B matrix is 4 4 6. Now by backward substitution, or we can multiply this row into column, we will get 4 into y1 is 4y1, 0 into y2 is 0, 0 into y3 is 0, equal to, we have 4. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. We have y1 value as 1. Next, this row into this column, that is y1 by, or else we can multiply here y1, y2, y3. So here we have y1 plus 15 by 4 y2 plus 0 y3 is equals to 4. Y1 value is 1, 15 by 4 y2 is equals to 4. Now 15 by 4 y2 is equals to 4 minus 1, we have 3. 3 ones are 3, 5s are. So y2 is equals to, we have 4 divided by 5. We got y2 value as 4 by 5. Now 3y1, 5 by 4 y2, 4 y3. 3 y1, 5 by 4 y2 minus 4 y3 is equals to, we have 6. 3 into y1 value. Y1 value is 1. 5 by 4 into y2. Y2 value we have 4 by 5 minus 4y3 is equals to 6. Here we have 3 plus 1 minus 4y3 is equals to 6. Now 3 plus 1 we have 4. 4y3 is equals to 6 minus 4 we have 2. Minus 4y3 is equals to 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we have y3 is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. We got all y values y1, y2, y3. From this equation, let us take this as equation 1, this equation as equation 2, and ux equal to y is equation 3. Now, from equation 3, that is ux is y, ux is equals to y, u value is, we have u is 1, we have 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 0, 1, 3 by 5, 0, 0, 1. X is a column vector of variables small x, small y, small z into is equals to, we have y. Y is y1, y2, y3. y1 value is 1, y2 value is 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5. y3 we have minus 1 by 2. Now by backward substitution we have 0x, 0y, 1z is equals to minus 1 by 2. Next 0x, 1y minus 3 by 5z is equals to 4 by 5. So we have y is equals to y minus 3 by 5 into z. Z value is minus 1 by 2 is equals to 4 by 5. Now we have y minus into minus plus 3 by 10 is equals to 4 by 5. So y value will be 4 by 5 minus 3 by 10. Now multiply here 2 and here 2. We have 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So we have 1 by 2. We got y value as 1 by. Now by backward substitution we have 1 into x plus 1 by 4y plus 1 by 4 z is equals to 1. We have x plus 1 by 4 into y value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into z. Z value is minus 1 by 2. We have 1. Now these two terms will get cancelled. We have x is equals to 1. We got all the values of x, y, z. Here we have been given solve. Solving means getting the values of x, y, z. We got all values of x, y, z. In order to check whether these values are correct or not, let us take one of the equation. Let us take this equation. Take LHS of the equation. We have 4x plus y plus z. Now 4 into x value is 1, y value is 1 by 2 plus z value is minus 1 by 2. Here these two values will get cancelled. 4 into 1 is 4, that is RHS. Yes, we are getting RHS equal to RHS, hence these values are correct. This is the procedure to evaluate x, y, z values by LU decomposition method. Find LU factorization for the matrix. Here we want LU factorization. Let us take this matrix as A. Let A is equals to 1, 2, minus 3, minus 1. Here we have been given 2 by 2 matrix. We want LU factorization, means we have to split this A matrix into lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So we have to take A as product of L into U, or we can say that L into U. We have to take A as L into U, where L is lower triangular matrix, U as upper triangular matrix. We have two matrices, lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. We have to split this A matrix into two matrices whose product is A. So L is lower and U is upper triangular matrix. Let us define L as, we have to take 2 by 2 matrix because the product is A. A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So take 2 by 2 matrix. Here we have L first row, first column, L11, next 0. L second row, first column, so L21, next is L22. We have 4 elements, one is 0 and other 3 are unknown. Again we have U matrix as, for defining upper triangular matrix, diagonal should be 1 and this should be 0, then only it become upper triangle. Here it become lower triangle, this is lower triangle, this is upper triangle, this is first row and second column, so U12. So we have defined L matrix and U matrix. Now given we have L U as A is equals to LU. L value we have L11 0, L21 L22 into 1 0 U12 1, value as A, 1 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now multiplication of matrices is there, first row, first column, L11 into 1 is L11, 0 into 0 we have 0, first row, first column. Now first row, second column, L11 into U12 plus 0 into 1 is 0. Now with first row all columns, now second row first column, L21 into 1, L1, L21, L22 into 0 is 0, next L21 second row second column, L21 U12 plus L22 is equals to 1 2 minus 3 minus 1. Now equating corresponding elements, L11 value is 1, L21 value is minus 3. Now L11 U12 value is 2, L11 value is 1, so U12 value will become 2. Now L21 U12 plus L22 value is minus 1, so L21 value is minus 3, U12 value is 2 plus L22 value is minus 1, so L22 value is minus 1. Here we have 3 2s are 6, minus 6 is there, so it will become plus 6 here, so we have 5, so L22 value we have 5. Now we got this unknowns, L value as L11, so L11 is 1 0, we have L21 value is minus 3, L22 value we have 5. Next we have U matrix, we have 1 0 1 0 1 U12 value is 2. We got the factorization of matrix A. If we multiply these two matrices, we will get again A. So this is the answer.